Look closely at your laptop charger cable. There's a strange, thick ring near one end. You've seen it thousands of times, but you've probably never questioned it. Is it just plastic? A safety seal? A leftover from manufacturing? Now here's the weird part. That tiny ring is silently protecting your laptop, your Wi-Fi, and even other devices in your house every second it's plugged in. Remove it, and things can start behaving strangely. Stay with me, because once you understand what this ring actually does, you'll never look at chargers the same way again. That ring has a real name. It's called a ferrite bead, or sometimes a ferrite choke. Inside that plastic bump is not empty space. It's filled with a dark ceramic-like material called ferrite, a special mix of iron and other metals. No wires, no electronics, no power source, and yet it performs an incredibly important job. Here's the problem most people don't know exists. Electricity isn't perfectly clean. When power flows through a cable, especially in chargers, it creates electrical noise. Think of it like this. The power you want is smooth, calm flow. The power you don't want is tiny, high-frequency chaos riding on top. This noise can interfere with Wi-Fi, affect Bluetooth, disturb speakers, cause touchpads to act weird, even mess with nearby electronics. And chargers are huge noise generators, so engineers needed a silent solution. That's where the ring comes in. Here is the clever part. The ferrite ring does nothing to the electricity your laptop needs, but it attacks the bad frequencies. High-frequency noise tries to travel along the cable. When it hits the ferrite ring, the material absorbs that noise, turns it into tiny amounts of heat, and stops it from spreading. It's like a soundproof wall, but for invisible electrical interference. No moving parts, no software, just physics doing the work. You might be thinking, if this thing is so important, why isn't it inside the charger brick? Good question. The answer is distance. Noise loves to escape along long cables. Placing the ferrite on the cable itself stops interference before it spreads, prevents the cable from acting like an antenna, and protects nearby devices, not just your laptop. That ring is guarding everything around it, not just one machine.
Most of the time, nothing dramatic. Your laptop won't explode, the charger won't fail instantly, but over time you may notice buzzing in speakers, Wi-Fi drops when charging, Bluetooth glitches, touchscreen lag, interference on monitors or TVs nearby. These issues are hard to trace, which is why ferrite beads exist, to prevent problems before they appear. Ever seen cables with two rings? That's not overkill. Different electronics produce different noise frequencies. Multiple beads equals broader protection. High-end or sensitive equipment often uses thicker ferrite, multiple beads, or beads at both ends of the cable. More noise, more protection. Cheap chargers often leave the ring out to cut costs, reduce weight, speed up production. That's why off-brand chargers are more likely to cause buzzing, interfere with Wi-Fi, feel unstable. That tiny ring is one of the hidden differences between quality and junk. So that strange ring on your laptop charger? It's not decoration, it's not random, it's not useless. It's a silent guardian, stopping invisible chaos before it reaches your devices. The next time you plug in your charger and see that ring,
You'll know it's not just delivering power, it's protecting your entire digital world. And now that you know what it does, you'll notice it everywhere.